Making manufacturing sustainable requires balancing and integrating environmental, economic, and societal objectives. Manufacturing companies are starting or willing to start their journey in order to improve the sustainability of their processes and products. Companies are struggling to understand which sustainability initiatives should be prioritized, how to rank their plants, and which production processes will benefit more from those initiatives. Some approaches for sustainability evaluation lack connection with the production areas of the plants. Others are intended to be used only by experienced professionals and are focused on a given product. To bridge the gap between these approaches, we develop MASSI, a solution that effectively supports the sustainability journey of manufacturing plants through a comprehensive assessment that leads to strategic insights for decision makers. The MASSI solution offers a tailored answer to company goals on sustainability, an easy and effective data collection through a dedicated online survey for each plant, a clear understanding of the plant performances for every sustainability category, at-a-glance view of the sustainability trend and an objective comparison between several plants. The step forward from mere sustainability assessment to strategic insights for the single plant and for the whole company. Start your sustainability journey with MASSI now and take your company to the next level.